ये देखो, ये रे,
मुझे ना दिखाई
बिल्कुल छोटे छोटे है वही पत्थर
my
पर।
parrot is breeding and I don't know
Why?
he or she is a mother or a father, but fortunately or unfortunately she or he has given, I don't know,
हाँ
100 of eggs. This is my parrot and she has given hundreds of eggs over here. I can show you over here. This is on
Black stone.
black stone, black and grey stone. And
सारे कपड़े हट गए, सारे कपड़े काट देते
it is very aggressive at this moment.
कपड़ों को
It is defending.
देख, कपड़े नहीं दिखते इसको।
यार ये तो
रुक जा।
it is very aggressive at this moment, and it doesn't allows any fishes to come over here. Any fish. This is a very.
Oh.
It is a very. These are the eggs. I can show you on this. These are the eggs. I can zoom it. These are the eggs. And this is my parrot. Red parrot. It is very aggressive at this moment. It is not allowing any fish to come over here. Even Oscar. It is very aggressive, my god. These are the eggs. These are the eggs. I can show you. These are the hundreds of eggs. I don't know. It is a good father or a good mother. I don't know. Very aggressive at this moment. सब मछलियों को इधर ही कर दिया उनने. Okay. Thank you very much.